This video, the quant price in the 4-hourly time frame continues to dump and tumble to the downside, breaking this important key level of support right here. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys what this means for the immediate short term for the quant price, and I'll mention my next targets. In the RSI, we have continued to emphasize the formation of the bullish divergence, which I'll also talk about later on in the video. So I'm going to be going on a deep dive in this video for the quant price. I'll talk about the bullish and the bearish case, but before I do so, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It only takes like 2 seconds of your time, and it really means a lot to me. Let's begin. So let's start off in the 4-hourly time frame. Yes, it's been a while since I've made a video on quant, but right now the quant price has continued to move to the downside right here and form lower lows. But in the RSI, we have emphasized the formation of this massive bullish divergence by forming higher lows in the RSI. So clearly a bullish divergence forming, indicating that in the immediate short term, we may be having a short-term relief pump to the upside. That's what the bullish divergence is indicating. But I'm seeing some problems right now for the quant price, which is, of course, we have lost an important key level, which is the 133 US dollar level. That's the important key level of support. We broke below this important key level, and right now it looks like we're having a retest of previous support, now flipped to resistance before moving to the downside to our next support level or area of 125 US dollars. Yes. So yeah, right now it looks like the quant price in the 4-hourly time frame lost an important key level of support, indicating that we may continue moving to the downside to the next support level or support zone at 125 US dollars until 123 US dollars. That's where this next massive support is located at. So right now, what am I expecting? I'm expecting that there's a high chance we may continue moving to the downside right here to 125 US dollars. But of course, there's also a chance we may be having a relief pump to the upside because again of the formation of this bullish divergence in the RSI. So either let's watch out for these two scenarios playing out. Right now we are in the weekly time frame, and this kind of looks dangerous for the quant price, and I'll discuss why. So first of all, let's talk about the bullish case, and I'll talk about the bearish case right after. So right now the bullish case is, again, I've said this a lot of times in my previous video, in the weekly, right now I believe there's a high chance we are right now on track for the wave 3 of this entire 5-wave move to the upside. Wait a second, of this entire 5-wave move to the upside, and the wave 3 is targeted at 400 US dollars right here at the next resistance. But again, I said the confirmation is we must break the swing high. Where's the swing high? The swing high is located right here at 192 or 193 US dollars. We must break above the swing high because it's right now acting as resistance, and this is the confirmation that we are indeed moving up for the wave 3 targeted at 400 US dollars. Now let's talk about the bearish case, which is if the quant price fails to break above the swing high at 193 US dollars. If we fail to do so, if we fail to break above the swing high, and this may invalidate this expectation that we're moving up right now for the wave 3, targeted at 400 US dollars, and this may be a massive corrective wave to the upside before continuing to the downside, forming lower lows. And the target, if this is a massive if this was a massive corrective wave to the upside, and now we're on track to move to lower prices, the next target is a dump to 78 US dollars. Yes, because that's also support right here. This is a massive support level. So that is the bearish case. Yes, the bearish case is right now we had this corrective wave move to the upside, and right now we're continuing to the downside to form lower lows. And the target is 78 US dollars. That's a bearish case. But the bullish case is we are right now on track for the wave 3, targeted at 400 US dollars right here. Again, the confirmation is we must break above the swing high at 193 US dollars. Because again, if we fail to break above the swing high of 193 US dollars, which is acting as resistance, then the bearish case may play out and confirm that this move was a corrective wave to the upside before forming lower lows in the weekly. and the next low is targeted at 78 US dollars. So right now it is very crucial in the weekly time frame for the quant price to break above the swing high, because again, if we fail to break the swing high, the bullish case may not play out, and instead we may continue moving to the downside to our target of 78 US dollars. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't forget to sign up on Bybit using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos. Watch this video that's being displayed on the screen right now.